Hi, I'm meteorologist Kimberly Hefner at the National Weather Service for Alaska statewide weather. Well, here we are at the beginning of the week, and we have a winter storm continuing across the eastern areas of the state. We have some early snow totals for you, as much of the eastern areas saw a bit of snow ranging from a trace all the way up to 11 inches. All across the southern areas of the Copper River Valley, between 4 and 6 inches, with Glen Allen receiving 6.4 inches. Over at Talkeetna, between 1 and 2 inches, and just to the south of there, anywhere from a trace to 1 inch was reported down near Palmer and towards Eagle River. Now, across the central areas of the state, they're still seeing snow, and there's winter weather advisories out through 6 a.m. for the Tanana Valley and the upper Yukon Valley, and further north of that, the south and northeastern areas of the Brooks Range and along the eastern Beaufort Seacoast under blizzard warnings until Wednesday at 6 a.m. The central areas of the state have already received snow on average between 5 and 8 inches. At Tok, seeing 5.5 inches of snow, and Fairbanks had reported 2.8 inches of snow. Over towards Chena Springs, they received 8 inches of snow, and Eielson Air Force Base had received 8 inches of snow. Now expect to see snow continuing into the overnight hours, with gusty winds picking up across the northeastern parts of the state, and especially along the eastern Beaufort Seacoast. So gusty winds along there bring freezing spray and gale winds, and then we have this cold air mass being reinforced through the nighttime hours across the northern areas of the state. Otherwise, quieter conditions with still a slight chance for snow along the eastern Alaska range. We will see the Gulf waters fairly quiet today. However, the Bering is still under the influence of a low pressure system that's moving across the central part of the Aleutians, bringing some gusty wind conditions all across the Bering and along the Aleutian chain. This system is going to slowly progress to the east on into Wednesday and will still have an effect across the Aleutians and the Bering. And elsewhere across the state, the snow will be on the way down across the northeast, so the blizzard warnings are expected to end on Wednesday, and across the south they will start seeing a little bit more chances for rain as we head into Wednesday as a weak low pressure system moves up from the Gulf water. Thanks for listening to Alaska Statewide Weather.